Greetings once again and welcome to another video. Many of you ask if you can visualize multiple desires in the same visualization session, or if it would be better to focus on visualizing just a single desire. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand whether or not you can imagine multiple desires, how to visualize multiple desires if possible, and if it is better to visualize a single or multiple desires. As always, I'll try to explain everything in just 3 minutes, so let's not waste any time. So, can you imagine multiple desires? The short answer is yes. You can definitely visualize multiple desires at once. Neville, in his book The Law and the Promise, chapter 7, notes, he speaks of a 55-year-old woman that was near poverty and was in need of everything: money, car, job, clothes, and she manifested every desire within 2 months, and she managed to do it by the use of a small phrase. It was natural for me, I suppose, to begin by imagining myself having everything I needed. But I needed so many things and in such short order that I found myself exhausted when I finally got through the list, and by that time I was so nervous I could not sleep. One lecture night I heard you tell of an artist who captured the feeling or word, as you called it, of "isn't it wonderful" in his personal experience. It was more efficient for her to use this small phrase with a condensed feeling of having all the desires together rather than imagining herself having all the desires manifested. Of course, the use of a phrase is one way to do it. You can always use imaginal scenes with the fulfillment of your desire by combining the desires in a single visualization scene or even more. So, when trying to visualize multiple desires in a single imaginal act, it is better to use a combination of the desires in one scene. This would be an efficient way to do it, but of course use whatever is more natural to you. For example, if you wish to manifest abundance in your specific person, you can imagine a scene that implies the fulfillment of both as a combination, like visualizing a scene of you and your SP having a nice dinner at your luxury house near the swimming pool or something like that. If you wish to manifest your dream car and abundance, you can create an imaginal scene with your luxury house and your fast sports car parked right outside the door. So, is it better to choose to visualize a single desire or multiple desires at once? We know that when it comes to desire, the feeling is the main part that leads the manifestation to reality, and this is what we should be focusing on. Visualizing single desires could be better for people who have problems visualizing or keep falling asleep while sad, and even for people who don't have much time for visualizing during the day. Multiple desire scenes could become longer and more complicated than single desire imaginal scenes, but not necessarily. Sometimes people with more advanced visualization skills would be more prone to use them, or people that are more comfortable staying in the sad state for longer. Manifestation is different for everyone. Experiment and choose whatever makes it feel more natural, and something that does not require effort to feel natural for you. And that was the end of our video. Now, don't forget, if you enjoy this kind of content, you can always leave a like and subscribe to the channel. You can always leave your suggestions and recommendations in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.